Working there?
No, I used to.
Oh, hi everybody. I'm just having a chat with Krishendaye. From ideation to execution, there is a lot of work involved in starting and operating a new business. My guest knows this all too well because she has 5 of them. 5. Joining me now, serial entrepreneur Krishendaye Ivey. 5 businesses. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
At 15, you knew you were bitten by the entrepreneur bug.
Yes.
How did you know? What was happening in your life at that time?
At that time, thank you. At that time, I was at St. Catherine High School, big ups to St. Catherine High. I was in fourth form, and I used to sell, you know, the long bag juice at that time?
Hey.
Yes, I used to sell those to my classmates, 11th girls. And
you just saw a need and an opportunity and you just filled it?
Yes, I sure did. As a person I am always seeking out opportunity. I don't wait on it. And that's when I knew that I am definitely for the business.
Okay, so tell me what happened after that. Because you went to school, but you then went into work. You went into the world of work. You got a 9 to 5.
Yes, I did. When I was in the 9th grade first, I used to do the NYS, the service.
Service.
Yes, I worked at the wharf, filing the shipments. And then after that, after school, I went to Amars. I went there. I stayed there for 3 years. I loved it. I worked in the men's department, and trust me, they loved me. Every single customer loved me. Even Andrew Cannon, who came there quite often. And just the love that I have for customers and just how I am with them.
I can tell. Yes. I mean, your joie de vivre, your spirit, your joy of living, it's clear. It translates.
Yes, thank you.
So you were there for 3 years.
Yes,
And then you decided you were not going to be there anymore.
Right. So while I was there, I used to walk from Amars all the way to Hagley Park to Moravian, Trinity Moravian. Every single evening to do a course, Community Tourism with Heart, and I loved it. And after that, I transitioned to another company, which was known as Induja Global Solutions, but is now Sagility. Yes, and now I'm there for 5 years and counting. No.
So you still have your 9 to 5?
Yes, I still do.
So you have a 9 to 5 and you juggle 5 business?
Yes.
Impossible.
Yes.
Nothing
is impossible with God. Nothing is impossible.
High 5 on that, Chris.
Yes.
So tell me now, the first business you started was Rock Solid Teas.
That's correct.
Tell me a little bit about that business and how you got into that one.
Thank you. So Rock Solid Teas, my baby, number one. I started that in 2020 when we went home to work, you know, the pandemic and all of that. So that's the opportunity for me to take charge. So at that time, I had more time because I'm at home. I don't have to take the bus coming home and all of that. So at that time, I decided that, hey, this is the time. Because the love that I have for business is just so deep, words can't even explain it.
Are your parents entrepreneurs or are you? No.
Well, my mom, yes, she does sell chemicals. Big ups, mommy and dad. Yes.
You didn't bring the t-shirt this morning though.
Oh, yes, I do have for you. And
sorry.
also, yes, I do.
Graphic tees.
Yes,
Very
I do
cute.
Custom prints.
Nice.
Anything that you need on it, that's me. I'll get it done.
Aww.
Yes, I do.
I'm going to have to make some orders from you.
Yeah, sure.
Quality analyst, entrepreneur, business consultant, course instructor, and author. So then after Rock Solid Teas came Transfer Vinyls. Oh, no, it's part of Rock. Pullover, sweatshirts, hat. Second business, Ivy's Hair Care.
Yes, as you can see right here, definitely.
So you're a chemist too?
No,
I do have my chemist. The formulation.
I do have my chemist. I let her know exactly what I need for my products because I do a lot of research and I know the different the ingredients for your hair and what is good, what is not. And then I did it.
So this is currently on the market?
Yes, it is.
Okay, online or in stores?
Online, but I'm working on
getting it in stores. Yes. And then Stick It JA is your third business. Which one is that?
Yes, that is printing of stickers. For instance, logo stickers, delivery stickers, all of that for other businesses. Okay. Yes.
Wow. And then what are the other two? Ivy's Party Rental.
Yes, I do rental for tents and tables. Yes, it's just love.
Taking over the world, one business at a time.
Yes.
Yes.
definitely.
Tents and tables, and then skincare brand, which is called NYX.
Yes,
Is
that's
that
very
old?
new.
Okay.
Yes, that's late last year, so I'm still working on that one.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow, wow, wow. So then where you find time now to be a business consultant and a course instructor? What you teach?
Yes, the course is Canva development course. I love Canva. I'm always on it. So Canva is to help others to design content for themselves and for others. So I seek the opportunity and I took it and I decided to teach others. And I started that January.
Okay. This year?
Yes, of this year.
Okay, and you're an author?
Yes, I did a journal. I designed covers for books. I'm also currently writing my business guide. This is the ultimate business guide. So that will be out this year. Definitely. Can I go for that?
Like a proper failure.
No, you're not.
Let me ask you a question. When do you sleep?
I do sleep when the
Look
night
at you
comes.
writing a soft life journal. You're hilarious. What do you know about the soft life?
Well, you have to create your own soft life. That's what you have to do.
How do you have a soft life with a 9 to 5? And
Well, on the
businesses?
weekends, I do take my time off. I do go out the house because I'm always inside because I do everything from home. So I decided that weekends are for me. I go out on solo dates. I have lunch. I work
Work-life balance
rituals.
is
Yes,
important.
you do have to have a balance in everything that you do in life. So that's what I do, and I make it work.
Yeah. How difficult, or let me ask you, what are some of the challenges you've faced as a young entrepreneur, managing 5 different businesses?
All right, so with that, challenges will come and you have to know how to deal with it, right? So the challenges that I do face is sometimes marketing, getting it across. It works, but sometimes it doesn't. But with that, you have to set yourself and know that you have to find ways to bring it across. Another challenge is saving towards getting other stuff in place, because I do save in order to get what I need.
I was just going to ask you about funding and
Yes.
investment and
Right.
seed money and seed capital, because to get a hair care line off the ground takes investment.
It
the
does.
research,
Yes.
the R&D is one thing.
Of course.
The actual development is another. It costs money.
It does, definitely.
So you save all of that under that, you said?
I save, yes. I save.
What a phenomenal young lady you are.
Yes, thank you.
So what's the goal? Where you headed?
The goal is to have my own company of distribution, which will involve trucks to go across the island, which I know for sure that will happen.
Distributing what?
Distributing goods from like Glasgow, Wisynco, Grace, and stuff like that.
Last time, Wisynco and Grace, here she calling it out. 'Cause
Yes, I'm
she
calling you out.
She putting plans in place. You see, when you
Yes.
speak these things into being, they
You have
a
to.
funny way of just
Just
telling
like I
look,
did
you have
with
a
this.
fleet and you're like, oh my God, I have a fleet of trucks.
Exactly.
Yeah, so that's where you're headed. Any more
Yes.
schooling to do or certification to
Yes,
get?
I plan to go deeper into business. Anything that involves business, I'm going to be there.
And you're going to stick with your 9 to 5 for a little while longer?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
And that's one thing I should tell others. You have to stick with it until you don't have to.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And so NYX will be hitting the market when?
This year.
And what is it really? Is it makeup or is it
No.
skincare?
It's definitely skincare. It will be lotion, body butters, serum for your face, and a lot more to come.
Wow. Is that your only business for this year, Krishendaye?
I doubt it.
You
I
have
highly
anything
doubt
else
it.
in the works?
If I do, God will let me know.
Yeah, me know, man. I mean, yes. Okay.
Yes.
Wow. What say you to other young
Thank you.
people who may be leaving high school or leaving university and feel like, boy, I can't find a job, I can't get a work, about just kind of using the gifts that they have?
Right, so what I will let them know is to start where you are. Start with what you have, make the best of it until you can add more, because that's when you know that it's the right time. Time waits on no man, so why should you wait on it?
Yeah, very
So just
sage
go ahead.
advice from this young lady. There's a quote that says, a year ago, you're going to wish you had started today, right?
Yes.
So even more than starting where you are, it's just a notion to start. Entrepreneur, Krishendaye Ivey. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for
Proud
having
of you
me.
and
It's a
all the
pleasure.
best. After the break, we're going to tell you about the most popular ideas about saving money according to social media. You brought something for me?
Yes, this is for you. I did a custom print for you.
Thank you, baby.
You are welcome.
Hugs.
Thank you so much.
We'll be right back, everybody. Lovely. It's a custom print?
Yes,
Let me
it
see
is.
what it says.
It says, don't limit yourself, challenge yourself.
I love this. I wonder if Erin will actually let me wear it. She knows she's going to teeth it. Men are going for war. I love this. I want to order some more from you. Be right back, everybody.
So
How much your teas go for?
that is a 3,000 custom.